Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for hands-on reviews and in-depth breakdowns of the most popular items online. In today's episode, we're diving into what we believe is the best xylophone with wooden bars and mallets for young children, the MUSICUBE 13 Keys Wooden Xylophone. Let's get started. Right out of the box, the MUSICUBE xylophone impresses with its charming design and build quality. It features 13 brightly colored wooden bars, each one clearly labeled with the musical note it represents. This makes it not only fun but educational, especially for young kids just beginning to explore music. The soundboard is crafted from quality wood, offering the natural resonance that plastic alternatives often lack. With dimensions of approximately 13.4 inches in length, just under 4 inches in width, and about 1.5 inches thick, this instrument is compact and lightweight, perfect for little hands to handle. The xylophone includes 2 wooden mallets that aren't just safe, they're designed smart. Unlike cheaper models where the mallet heads can fall off easily, these have passed a tensile test, meaning the ball is secure and the sound they produce is full and vibrant. It's a noticeable difference, especially when compared to plastic mallets that can sound dull or tinny. What really sets this xylophone apart is how well it's tuned. It's not just a toy, it's a diatonically tuned instrument ranging from C5 to A6. Every bar produces a note that's accurately pitched, so when your child taps along, the tones ring true. That's crucial for early ear training and helps instill musical confidence right from the start. The scientific box design also adds to the sound experience. Rather than placing the keys directly on a flat surface, MUSICUBE uses a resonant wooden box that enhances the volume and tone quality. Even soft taps result in a satisfying sound, making it more rewarding for kids to play and experiment. Another thoughtful feature is storage for the mallets. Instead of being tossed aside and easily lost, they can be conveniently tucked into the xylophone's frame. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot to the overall usability, especially for parents. Now let's talk about safety. This xylophone meets both TÜV and ASTM F963 safety standards. That means all the materials used, from the wood to the finish, are non-toxic and safe for children aged 3 and above. So you're not just buying a toy that sounds good, you're also getting peace of mind. And it's not just for playtime. The MUSICUBE 13 Keys Wooden Xylophone is an excellent educational tool. It's designed to help kids discover melody and rhythm, engage their senses, and build a basic foundation in music. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or music therapist, this instrument makes a fantastic introduction to the world of music. In terms of gifting, this makes a perfect choice for birthdays, holidays, or even as a surprise treat. It's colorful, musical, educational, and durable, all the things that make a gift both fun and worthwhile. MUSICUBE also backs this product with a 1-year guarantee. That kind of support shows confidence in the quality and reassures you that any potential issues can be resolved directly with the brand. It combines child-friendly design with musical authenticity, making it more than just a toy. It's a real instrument that grows with your child's curiosity and talent. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest insights on products that matter, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions about this xylophone or have one you'd like us to test next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep playing and stay curious.